Okay, ladies, we need to talk about something that is honestly kind of crazy, but it's literally happening right now. People are getting into relationships with AI boyfriends and girlfriends. Like actual apps where you create a virtual partner that texts you, loves you, supports you, is always nice to you, and basically your perfect boyfriend. But he's not real, obviously. And honestly, I get why people are actually doing it, but at the same time, this can be really dangerous. So let's talk about it. I want to break it down for you as your friend, as your coach. So let's just be real about where is this going and what is actually doing to us emotionally. Number one, AI is already here and it's already happening. There are apps like Replica, Anima, and tons others, and people are literally creating their own AI boyfriends and girlfriends. You choose how they look, how they talk, their personality. It's all fully customized just how you like it. And for people, it feels good because guess what? That AI boyfriend never rejects you. He's sweet, he always texts you back, he's always emotionally available because you literally programmed him to be like that. It's like having a relationship without any of the risk. But here is the problem. That's not real love, right? Or is it? So if it's not real love, why are people still going for it? Let's just be real. The reason a lot of people are drawn to this is because it feels safe. You don't have to deal with the heartbreak. You don't have to worry if he's cheating, if he's texting other girls, if he is going to leave you one day. You feel in control. And if you have been through a rejection, abandonment, heartbreak, I get it because it's gonna be scary to be vulnerable with real life people when you have been hurt before. But the danger is AI gives you this fake sense of love without any true emotional growth. You are not actually healing, you're just avoiding. You just become more avoidant personality. Let's talk about it from a deeper place because I personally believe that God didn't create us for this kind of fake comfort. Real love requires sacrifice. Real love requires patience, forgiveness, vulnerability, and sometimes even pain because two imperfect people are learning how to love each other. And with AI, you skip all of that. It's comfort without character, safety without growth. And honestly, it feels selfishness, it feels narcissism. Like you're not learning how to serve someone else, you're just programming something to serve you perfectly. Narcissism. And the more people go into these AI relationships, the harder it will be for them to actually do the work that real relationship requires. So where is this all going? And this is where it honestly gets scary. Because if this keeps growing, a lot of men might completely give up on real women. They will say, my AI girlfriend never nags me. She's perfect. And some women might even give up on real men. My AI boyfriend never hurts me. He always says what I want to hear. And then you have got entire generations growing up not knowing how to have real relationships, real marriages, real families. Because love has become artificial. And artificial love cannot fulfill human soul. Here is the real issue. wounds. At the end of the day, the reason we are even drawn to this stuff is because of wounds we haven't healed yet. Father wounds, abandonment issues, rejection, all those things make us crave control. We get scared of being hurt again, so we run towards something that feels safe, even if it's fake. But here is what I want you to hear. You can heal. You can become a high-value woman who is strong, secure, confident, and fully open to real love without fear. But you have to do the work. So if you're struggling with dating, relationships, or you feel like you keep running into the same patterns, I would love to help you. You can book one-on-one coaching with me where I help you become high value and attractive to the right kind of man. You can also join my High-Value Women Skool. You get 7 days completely free, and inside I help ladies like you by answering their questions posted from me and my coaches. I also have videos such as how to stay attractive via text, how to get your ex back, how to go from single to a happy, healthy relationship, and so many more. All these links are in the description. Just check them out after you finish this video. And as always, I love you ladies. I'm rooting for you. Let's heal and build the kind of love God really wants for us. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share it with another woman who needs to hear this. I'll see you in the next video. Lots of love.